Have you ever wondered how physics works inside a computer simulations? In this mini Python projects, I built a simple 3D physics playground using the PyBullet engine. Here you can see a red ball moving dynamically in the environment. Its motion is not random animation. It follows real physics rules like gravity and applied forces. Around the ball, there are multiple cubes placed at different positions. As the ball moves, it collides with these cubes and forces them, just like objects interact in the real world. What's interesting is that this entire simulation is created using just a few lines of Python code. Projects like this are often used in robotics, game development, and AI simulations. And this is a small example of how powerful Python can be for creating interactive physics environment. So now let's go. New Python file. The project name is 3D Playground Simulation. Import the library. First of all, installation pip install PyBullet. Import all library. Now connect to PyBullet. And set up environment in PyBullet. Here I set the camera position for the simulation environment. By adjusting the camera distance, AI and pitch, we can create a better and more cinematic view of the simulation. This makes the physics interaction easier to observe and more visually interesting. In this part of the code, I am creating obstacle boxes inside the simulation environment. The loop generates multiple cubes automatically and their position are chosen randomly each time the program runs. This means every simulation looks a little different and more dynamic. To make the scene more visually interesting, each cube is also given a random color. So when the ball moves and collides with these cubes, it creates a fun and colorful physics interaction in the environment. Now, this is the main simulation loop where the physics actually comes to life. Here, the program continuously runs the simulation and keeps updating the environment in real time. A random force is applied to the ball, which makes it move in different directions every moment. Because of this random force, the ball keeps bouncing, rolling, and colliding with the tubes, creating dynamic and unpredictable motion. The simulation is updated 240 times per second, which makes the movement looks smooth and realistic, just like real world physics. Finally, this part safely closes the simulation. This small step is important because it prevents errors and ensures that the program exists cleanly after the simulation finishes. Requirement is first install the gym library. Write down pip install gym. It will take some time to install. Install is successfully completed. Just wait few seconds for indexing. Okay, now run the program. uh, we can face the sum issue. Okay, first of all remove this line, and after run this program, and also face some issues. Okay, I can find the issue. First we need to create a ball. Okay, now everything is okay, and run the program. So we can see the program is working 100% perfectly. Just we can see the movement, motion, and it. Thanks for watching the video.